Hiya, my name's Sarah Lawrence. I'm the director of Deaf Friendly Limited. So I teach BSL, I teach deaf awareness, and I translate English to BSL. Through my own lived experience, having lots and lots of barriers when I was young, I started Deaf Friendly to try and open up those barriers for the benefit of myself and other deaf people going forward. Deaf Friendly is unique because it's deaf-led, and BSL is the language inside the business, and so we practice what we preach. This has not been easy over the years, but we have one key message, and that's deaf people can. So if they're prepared to put the hard work in and they really want to achieve it, then yes, the message is they can too. So personally, I'm really excited about being nominated for St David's Award. But most importantly, it's an opportunity for deaf people like myself and for BSL, for that awareness to go far wider, so that tomorrow, the barriers that we still face are gone and we get greater access.